Guys, what's up? This right here is the Adventures of Downtown Goons. We'll mention his name later, I don't know. But right now we got this RC helicopter. It's supposed to be for indoors only for $20. So let's see how it works. Okay, Bryce is gonna be flying first. Gosh, I swear to God, you're recording. Let's do this.
What the hell? I stepped on it. Oh crap, it's risen from the dead. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Oh crap! Ah! Oh, it's dead. It's dead. It's donezo.
Josh, keep recording. Okay,
Okay.
so here's the damage so far. So there's an LED light on and everything.
I can't see because you keep shaking it. I almost died.
It's my turn. Okay, now it's my turn to fly it.
What the heck?
Dude, it went like haywire and stuff.
What did you do to it?
I didn't do anything to it,
You
man.
probably broke it.
Broke it. Let's go get your freaking refund.
Oh my god.
360. Dude, I think it was about a 630.
This is.
Hold up here.
Oh crap! It almost decapitated you. Oh my god, dude, it's freaking out. Something just
I'll just hold it.
Hold it. We're out of control, dude. You lift one of those blades up
Wait.
so they won't fall into the lower rotors.
One of the lights messed up.
That's all it says. Oh crap! Ah! This thing. Should I let it? Oh crap!
This thing's as fun as math.
So this is the After Effect Q&A. Come on, Ethan. Well, as you can see, it doesn't look healthy right now.
We're gonna go get
So,
a refund on it.
Tell me about your experience on flying it, right?
Well, it was crap. It sucks really bad. And no wonder Ethan's the only person that buys these things anymore.
Ethan, you.
I'm gonna get my money back.
And cut.